When you create a group, you create a central email address and place to collaborate. You can use this to provide an email address like sales or info that everyone can see and get emails from. Let's look at how to set it up. In Outlook, go to the Groups section and select New Group. Type a name for your group. You can change the email address to something shorter, like info. Enter a description, open the Privacy drop-down, and choose Private so we keep the customer's information confidential. Check the box to send all group email and events to members' inboxes, and select Create. To add members to the group, search for them and select them. Repeat until all members have been added. Then select Add Members. To allow external users, such as your customers, to send email to the group address, select Group Settings, Edit Group, select the checkbox to let people outside the organization email the group, then OK. Now you can share your group email address with your customers.